Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on how to get the top of this rectangle to the top of the top of the rectangle to the top of the circle by using the nudge. But you can also do it mathematically. Everything's in the center of the page, so half this 6 inches is 3. Half the 20 inches is 10. So we need to move this rectangle up 13 inches. So set your nudge factor on 13 inches and it will move it to the top. Now, that's a kind of a silly way to do it, but just to show you, and I'm going to have some people go, well, everything was an even number. But Corel can do math. So let's go 4.67, which is the height of the rectangle, divided by 2, plus 16.8 divided by 2, and hit enter, and you get 10.74. We'll change our nudge factor to 10.74, and we're going to grab just the rectangle, and we're going to nudge it up. And it's at the very top, exactly on top of the line. So you can let Corel do some math, just kind of think about the equation. Just take that number divided by half, take that number divided by half, and let Corel do the math for you. Now, the other way I just got through doing it in the part 1 is a lot easier, but just to let you know some things are out there and possible. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.